We're at the pit stop. They have mango pizza, so we're gonna get some mango pizza. I'm excited. And hot. Definitely smells like mango. Good morning, guys. It is 5:30 a.m. Jean is supposed to come pick me up at 6 so we can go see sights while we have someone to drive us around, which is nice of her family to offer to do that. So we're getting up early so that they can still go to work and stuff. So I'm here on the balcony of the hotel. I don't know if you can hear the chickens, but I'll just give you a little picture of what it looks like. What's up, guys? So Carinderia just opened downstairs. It's just me here, and luckily the food is fresh. They only have pancit right now, but smells good whatever else they're cooking here. You can see they're in the back cooking right now. But we got some rice, some pancit, and some cape blanco. So it's gonna be a good breakfast. Good start to the day. They should be here any minute, so I better hurry up and eat. I'll see you later. Bye. Are you just recording me? I thought the lady walking down the street was carrying snakes, but she just had branches. She said, I was like, why is she walking carrying snakes? That's so weird.
So guys, welcome to our vlog.
At the man-made forest, I guess. Hello.
This is the man-made forest here in northern Guimaras. You can see. One, two, three.
Light behind me. Hi guys.
Yeah.
Welcome to my vlog.
This is behind the picture. Behind the scenes. Yeah, look at that.
behind the scenes footage.
Okay. Bye.
Or behind the scenes.
This is the behind the scenes. Welcome to Guimaras. Ikaw. Picture kami.
We're at the pit stop. They have mango pizza, so we're gonna get some mango pizza. I'm excited. And hot. Ready to go in?
Good morning.
Do we order up there? Do we order up there at the counter? Yeah.
Look at this place. Very nice. Hot sasalubo here.
Mango pizza, 12-inch.
Hi. Say hi to the vlog.
Do we want to eat it here or
Yeah.
here? Okay, here. Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Very nice. Everyone's dressed and very professionally.
Baru dito. Teka pingin.
You gonna eat here or bring?
It definitely smells like mango.
Guys, look at this. This is mango pizza.
You can narrate this one because
Can
of the
rate it?
music.
You just like edit the voice over.
You can add your voice over. Yummy.
No.
And
Really?
you don't
like it?
It's like Eden cheese. Cheese is weird. Yeah.
Ah, that's
It's
fine.
mango. And it tastes like Alberto's pizza with mango on it. Definitely a 3.5 out of 10. 3.5 out of 10 for sure.
Okay.
Alright, now let's eat our 3.5 pizza.
count the pepper.
Alright, what was your rating out of 10 on the mango pizza?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Me either.
No?
I don't want to talk. No.
What about you, cousin? Out of 10, rate?
Just give number. 8? Is it 8?
8? Okay. So, Uncle gives it an 8. I give it a 3.5, and then 2 no ratings.
Like
So
4. Maybe
4? Okay, a 4.
4.
So we're 4?
Yeah.
Okay, so out of a total of 40, we got, 17. So, a failing grade, unfortunately, but it smells good. The mango does taste good, but we'll see. The next one we're going to Trapeze. And they have butterscotch mango. Is that right? I have faith in butterscotch. So.
You're gonna make the most there.
Yeah, that's true. All right. Thank you. way to pit stop at the pit stop.